this will be a two-in-one video. First, I'm gonna introduce myself, and second, we're gonna test hopefully almost all some game passes. So first, we're gonna test this as to what is clearly already happening. So here you can set more than one. You can put all on at the same time. There's alien bugs, invasion, there's fire, flood, earthquake, blackout, lightning, ghost, gas leak, solar flare, wind, and zombie. Okay, so that is okay. So next we're gonna test the vehicle speed unlocked. Let me get a car for that. I also want a fast car. Okay, let's use this car. I'll also show vehicle customization in here. You can put any wraps on that rainbow. I like to use that one. You can also get the underglow. I'll use that one. You can also get pop your tires. Okay. Let's go. Okay, now let's taste the speed. I'm a Rambo. Um, I will show you the max speed. I don't want to keep this video for 1 hour because, like a minute, it's already 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Show this real car speed. Yeah, sometimes you'll maybe lose your car, but at least you don't lose it for every reference point again. And there is also let me show you also the vehicle the vehicle pack. To get that bike you can yeah, I think there is a bit older than cause maybe you can get this thing what can go. Oh no, that's not a part from a vehicle pack. You can get that very powerful car, three-wheeler car, a Cybertruck, BMW with a trailer, a goat kart, a Rolls Royce, one of the fastest cars in Brookhaven. The one I tested, that one, also the fastest, one of the fastest cars in Brookhaven. I can say that's a racing car, a block limousine, and if you're a boy, you can at least change the color. That is also from an old event. That this one has a boat at the back. There are some just that you can see real quick. SWAT, you can not released by that thing for a baby. A baby can ride that. Not a monster truck. There's also a monster truck. That thing you can remove the roof. You will see that car a lot in Brooks videos. She's also a YouTuber. The car is like a block, also a block limousine, but just a smaller edition. You can see that in Poke's video. He's also a YouTuber. F2 car and an F1 driver. Okay, that's what you get from vehicle pack. And I can also show you the boat pack. Like you can get that whole yacht for yourself. That one you can actually explore yourself at Lake Madison, the lake. Pirate ship, there's also a library. A like you can get a free shark somewhere. Yeah, but that's a smaller one. Here you can get a bigger one. It's like a submarine, I could say. Criminal one. You can get this police one. You want to roleplay as police. This red jet ski, a blue jet ski. You can get this sailor and that one what can fit 6 people. If you there will be a button at the back. If you press it, they will come back at the back 2 seats. Okay. Now I can show you state pack. So let me get my disasters off. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna test here. Let's just. You can get a castle to be the king of the world. You can get that pink one, 3 bedrooms, uh, 4 bedrooms, a jail cell, 3 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, a military base with 2 helipads, a big house with a helipad, 3 bedroom, also a secret safe. Almost all these has a secret safe, yeah, but even if you have to pack, if you want, you can be the president, a water park, modeling studio, this soccer, the soccer stadium, Japanese, Chinese. I don't know. I don't even live there. Not in class, but I want to show you something real quick. Yeah, if you want, when you change the color, it will just change like that gold, like that. Just to let you know. And um, that's from the estate pack. Let me the VIP. Wait, how much? See what I still need to vehicle vehicle upgrade. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how fast it is. Otherwise, you think it will be really fast, and later you say, no, not what I wanted. Okay, so speed there will be no turbo, yeah, and then 100. Let's so not that you might be disappointed with the speed. I'm showing you that. Okay, and with the small vehicles, it will be 40. Yeah, like that. Wait, what? If we come here, okay. Wait, what? This makes sense. Okay, what? Okay, yeah, I'm trying not to make this video too long for you guys. So, yeah, but, guys, you also get cool cards. Okay. So weird. Anyways, okay, now I need to show you guys the VIP and premium. I think that's all what's left. So let me check for you guys. Disaster, yes, yes, yes. No, yes, yes, yes. Yes, no, no. Okay, I still need to show you guys free game passes. Okay, so with the premium, you can get all these vehicles. Right? Premium. Where are you, premium? Okay. You can get that beach house, a Ferrari, a Lamborghini. Where did that Lamborghini come from, right? A limo, a scooter, just pretty nice houses. You can get free jets. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 helicopters. You can get that. It's like a venture bike. A daily car, SUV. That's like a Lamborghini, but like police edition. Um, a golf cart just with more seats. Bugatti. But now it's 6, 7, 8 helicopters and 4 jets. That's very autonomous car and these giants. Like basically. That's what you get from premium. I think the musical show sound. And the VIP, you get like, yeah, let me show you real here real quick. Let's name him Max. Then I can go here and I can make it glow. And you can also do it with your house sounds. So that's actually pretty cool. I like it. VIP, you don't have to wait to spawn houses again. You get plus 5 more props. If you text in the chat, I will show you now. You can get 2 vehicles. You can get the gritty 6-7 emote. You can make it the faint, the duck walk, a bit more dances, a lean, the cash thing, this emote so you can dance. That helicopter, yeah, the pro goes to all the vehicles. That one can go on land and water. Pretty cool, right? Hot air balloon, flying car. You can get that rings because not actually makes a sound. A dunk tank, piston, golden toilet. You can make like turbos but with props. You can get like that gold thingy, but instead of that you can make it like glow. Effects. You can get that thing, then you press it and then you shoot money out. More effects, and then the chat. You say, let me just say YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, that is ridiculous. I can say YouTube in the chat. We just say they'll say VIP. Same with the premium. They will say premium, but if you have premium in VIP, it will show VIP. Yeah, that. So it comes from the VIP. And also, if you want to join me on Roblox, my display name is Alan Stokes with Stokes in the Island title, and my username is um let me show you. Sometimes my brother spells it wrong. That is how you spell my username if you want to add me on Roblox. Um, so I said next time, if I have the next game passes, I can show you all in one video. And for the next video, it will all be the new vehicle updates. I'm kind of excited. And and maybe I will put one before Friday video, and that will be about me like showing all the sites of all the houses in the game. Houses, motel rooms, estates, and man of Enviro can have the 10,000 Game Pass. So, bye, see you in the next video.